Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here we have a 2013 Subaru Liberty Wagon. It's the 2.5 FB25 automatic, all-wheel drive of course. Little tap in the front. Looks like we've got a good set of doors. We've got some wheels, tailgate, tail lights, tow bar. The tailgate here. What do we see in there? Got some leather trim, which I think is fairly standard. Toolkit, spare wheel, retractable cargo blind. The other side here, I'll get a compliance plate down here with my transmission code. The CVT box in there, I think. Here we go. Where are we? March 13. Airbags to go off on the steering wheel and dash and the knee. I'll pop the bonnet for you, then we'll go and start up. We've got a few things rubbing at the front there, so we'll just start her up so we can show you it does run. There, plates there. Alright, we'll jump in and go for a real quick spin. Yeah, leather trim, no sunroof in this one. Oh, little squeeze for me. 9 kilometres were a bit 114, I think. Get the steering wheel around. Yeah, 114349. Spin the brake, start him up. Got a few belts rubbing in the front there. You going to find us? There we are, that's us. Alright. Have a look at you. Alright, we've got a running air. Alright, there it is. One Liberty Wagon for dismantling at that place there in the Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on the number on the wall, 0246 461 733. Parts Plus team would love to hear from you. Only too glad to help you out. Well, I'll move on to the next one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.